today is our realtor's open house. So we're gonna go check out the awesome model home and meet some of the sales consultant too as well. So we're just gonna get in to see what they have to offer, what incentive, what promotion they currently run. Welcome to Horton, America's builder. Hello.
Hi. Hey there.
Vienna.
Yeah, so my name is Garrett. We're over here at Canopies, so definitely come out, check this out. It's a great community.
Yeah, so how many bedrooms are we gonna look at right now?
So this is going to be the pairing floor plan. It's 4 bed, 2.5 bath. It's going to be 2563 square feet. And this floor plan is awesome because it has like a study flex space downstairs. So it's really awesome.
Yeah.
Very
Any
cool.
incentive, promotions?
Yes, actually.
Our promotions, so our Red Sox are about to end on Sunday.
So this coming Sunday?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but we do have some, on select homes, we have closing, or rates as low as 3.9%.
Did you say
wow.
2.9?
3.9.
Oh, 3.9. Okay.
BTO.
The refrigerator.
Package, yeah.
The cool thing about us is you're going to get a lot of features already with the home. So sprinkler system, front and back,
Oh,
covered
wow.
patio, garage door opener, home automation system. All of that's already included with the home.
Standards, right?
Standard.
Absolutely.
The only
That's
thing we're
amazing.
going to be throwing in is the fridge, washer, dryer.
So that
Okay.
will be part of the package too.
And blinds for
Really? That's huge.
Yeah, I hate to
Yeah, no kidding.
So you're really getting to the home with everything on all you need is buy furniture when you come in.
Yeah, so guys, the
There we
Red Tag
go.
in this Sunday. Come check this place
Yes.
out right
All
here
right.
in Sedona or Splendora.
Splendora.
So he is
Wow.
very nice.
This is very nice.
Yes. Oh, you love this. Check out this.
Oh, here we go.
Do you see how look?
Wow, it's like
It's-
another room.
Yeah, but the way they're doing it is such a
I like
open
it.
floor.
It is.
It's connecting.
Let's check out this closet.
Look at this. Wow.
Ah,
Pretty space in here.
it is.
They're using space really well.
They are.
Really, really well.
They really are. Double vanity.
Double vanities, yes. His and her. Oh, we have another shelving here.
That is nice. A lot of shelving.
So like I said, they're using space.
And another closet.
Oh, his and her.
There we go.
Oh, his and
Let me
her.
guess which one. This must be his. It's so much smaller.
Must be, there's no shoes. Box. It's really nice, I love it. It's the powder room or half bath. So all 3 rooms are connected.
Look at the family.
Wow,
Check that good looking family out.
very good looking.
I would name them Spot.
So we have 4 bedrooms in this house. It's 4 bed and 2.5 look like.
2.5.
And they have each their own little closet, share a bath, but have their own closet.
That's nice.
Two stories homes, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. So we have the primary bedroom right downstairs with the 1.5 bath, and then the 3 bedrooms up here. So I'm Vienna, your new real estate agent. Please do contact me. I'm here to help. My number is 281-739-0658. Looking forward to hearing from you.